Hi guys, today I want to show you how to pay for Netflix plan with JazzCash. First, type in Netflix, sign up on Google. Click on the first link that appeared in Google search. Just choose your plan here next. And choose your plan. You want a basic plan, standard, or primer plan. After choosing one of these three, just click on next. Now you should put your JazzCash card number details. You should put the card number of your JazzCash, your expiration date, the CVV number, your name on card, and just click on Start Membership. And that's it, guys. You successfully paid Netflix with JazzCash in few simple steps. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.